Our community in Tukwila is super unique. We have a lot of families that are from all over the world who have come as immigrants and refugees, and they have all different life experiences and backgrounds. And seeing the students come together from this community into our school, it's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
It's an urban district, but it has 5 schools. It's an urban district that only has 2,700 kids currently. We had 76 different languages besides English spoken.
Teaching computer science early in elementary school is important, especially with girls, getting them involved before 3rd grade, because the students pick up on those little problem-solving skills. And then maybe they'll sign up for those classes that all boys are in middle school because they're feeling more comfortable and confident.
I think that makes it more exciting to them. It makes them more engaged. It makes them more wanting to go on to the next thing that you're going to do. Gives them some freedom and some power.
And a lot of it is just teaching growth mindset and making sure students are learning how to persevere through challenges and not give up and just kind of discover more of what they're capable of doing.
Where many people think computer science is connected only to building a video game, or the nerds do that. Whereas computer science is more than that. It's really troubleshooting and the problem solving to get through different needs that way.
Computer science is definitely for everyone, and making it equitable is really important, especially in the early ages.
I think incorporating computer science into what you're teaching can open up a whole another level of students' creativity, ways they can challenge themselves, and ways they can express and show what they're learning.
Getting girls into computer science might change what's on those devices and how they're created and how they affect everybody, not just one population. So getting them involved is really key to making sure our future looks like everybody.